Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Tengku Asyraf from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. From 17 of Sustainable Development Goal, I choose number 14, which is the life below underwater because the concern of my hometown. Terengganu has 244 km coastline, the longest coastline in Malaysia. This state spans 244 km from the district of Kemaman in the south along the Sine coast to up to the north district of Besut, overlooking to the South China Sea. What happened to the ocean? Most common problem happen in 80% of the marine pollution start on the land. Marine researchers have found a giant garbage patches in the ocean that threaten not only the wildlife but also on our safety and health. Other researchers say that the plastic not recycled account for 60% of all marine debris. Oil spill cause the depleting oxygen to the underwater living and create the dead zone where life cannot survive. We need healthy ocean because it covers almost 3/4 of our planet. So, how can we clean up our waste? The Sustainable Development Goals build on the decade of work by the country and the United Nations. One of the goals is the life below water. Let's look at the first key target, which is to reduce the marine pollution. Around 8 million metric tons of plastic enter our ocean each year. This is equivalent of 6-day shopping bag of every meter of coastline excluding Antarctica. The production of plastic has just increased. In 2015, we produced almost 100 million tons of plastic, lesser than we make in 2000. For your information, plastic does not compose fully on the land and the ocean. The waste of the plastic under the influence of the sunlight and wave is crumbled into the small pieces known as microplastic. The fish think it's food, so they eat, and animals get tangled up. Because of the ocean current, 5 floating landfill sites have been created. Furthermore, 90% of all seabirds eat pieces of plastic around the world. Because of this, more than 1 million seabirds die each year. A seabird has an average of 0.385 grams of plastic in their stomach. In comparison with a man that weighs 62 kilograms, that is equal to the lunchbox that weighs 5 kilograms. Unlike glass and aluminum that can be recycled and still maintain same properties, most plastics are very difficult to recycle. It expected that 2050 that all seabird species have been eat plastic at some point. So, how does plastic end up into the ocean? First are from litter. Plastic bottle and packaging littered on our street and beaches can be clumped into drain on river and flow into the sea. Second is down the plug hole. Everything from the microbed in our toothpaste to synthetic clothing fiber that sheet in washing machine can end up in flowing into the ocean. Third is landfill. Mountain of plastic in open dump can be blown away and end up in the sea. The more plastic that produced, the more end up in our ocean. One of the engineering solutions is the ocean cleanup. The ocean cleanup is deploying the world's first technological solution to this growing problem. The principle behind it is simple: creating a coastline where there are none concentrated the plastic and take it out. The system consists of 600 meter long floater and 3 meter deep skirt attached below. The floater provides buoyancy to the system, while the skirt prevents smaller particles from escaping underneath. As the impenetrable skirt creates a downward flow, marine life can safely pass beneath it. As the current apply pressure on the skirt, the system naturally adopt a U shape which enable it to concentrate plastic in its center, like funnel. The dragging generated by the skirt also acts as a stabilizing force, allowing the system to reorient itself when the wing changes direction. Fit with sonar power light, anti-collision system, cameras, sensors and satellite antennas, the system actively communicates its position at all times and continuously gathers performance data. Periodically, as a support vessel come by to take out the concentrated plastic, like a garbage truck of the ocean. The plastic is then transported to the land, recycled and make it into durable product. The only solution to stop the trash from getting to the ocean by cutting down our waste and increasing recycling program. It comes down to managing waste on land, where the most of the trash generate. Recycling programs should be expanded to accommodate more type of plastic and waste material. A national recycling law not only benefit our environment but will have several economic impact as well. Economical analysis show that the recycling can generate 3 times revenue per ton as landfill disposal as almost 6 times as many jobs. We need a national law that expand recycling program and require every business and commercial site to recycle. Our kids' future are in jeopardy. We have punished Mother Nature to a breaking point. Now she needs our help. It's up to us to make a difference. It's up to you.